alone together is good. I just wonder if you like me. I can show you my love, here it is. Don't be shy again.
Hello, my name is Jessica, and if you clicked on this video, that means we have things in common since the algorithm brought you here. Probably, like me, also are in desperate need of a spring reset. So let's do this together. This may take us a day, 3 days, or maybe 2 weeks, who knows, but as long as we get it done, that's what matters. This is a very simple life reset routine that never fails to help me feel refreshed and clear-minded. I know I need one of these whenever I can't concentrate or I keep procrastinating on the simplest of tasks. So with that said, I'm gonna be starting this reset with a brain dump. I'm essentially gonna be writing down every single thing I need to get done. Big tasks and small tasks to start clearing my mind. So this is essential and super helpful to write what's on your mind. That's why I love my planner. It's like a second brain storage. Now that that's done, I'm gonna be organizing and cleaning my messy apartment. Long story short, it was a rough holiday season and I'm getting out on the other side now. So I'm really excited for this very much needed life reset. I actually enjoy organizing and cleaning. It's quite relaxing and an excuse to listen to music and watch YouTube videos. Now the apartment is nice and clean, it's time for the beloved everything shower. Let's wash away all the dirt and stale energy away. Now I like to get done a few other things like cleaning my makeup brushes and hairbrush. Small tasks like this make the biggest difference and we procrastinate them somehow even though they only take like 15 minutes. I'm gonna be doing a digital declutter, cutting my phone and computer files that are cluttering my phone. And I also like to clean my devices to make them feel brand new. It's crazy how dusty these get. A few other things that are on my spring reset at the moment is clean the car and order some new glasses. I I already did some clothing, lenses, skincare, makeup shopping. Now's the perfect time to assess any expired makeup or restock your beauty routine. Well, that is it for the spring reset. Thank you so much for being here with me, and I'll see you on the next video.